Hello everyone, today we will learn how to turn unknown into answer, that is substitution. In sports, a substitute takes place of another player. Here, player 6 is substituting player 2. In baking, for healthier option, you might substitute applesauce for butter. In algebra, substitution exactly means the same thing, replacing a variable with a specific number to solve a problem. It turns the unknown into something we can actually calculate. Let's look how it works. Starting simple, imagine you have a bonus score of 10 points plus some mystery bonus point we will call A. Our expression is A plus 10. If the game reveals our bonus is equals to 7, we simply replace the letter for the number. A becomes 7. Now it is just a basic addition, 7 plus 10, which gives us final score of 17. Simple, right? Let's change the. Imagine you hit a double bonus. Now your mystery points are multiplied by 2. Our new expression becomes twice A plus 10. If the game reveals A is 9, then the substitution rule works exactly the same way. We drop 9 right into the place of A. When a number is just next to a letter, it means multiplication, which gives us 18. Our new score is 18 plus 10 equals 28. Now the rule changes completely. Two variables A and B are introduced, and instead of earning point, we are looking at penalty countdown using subtraction. Our expression is 5A minus 3B. The game reveals A equals 8 and B equals 4. Don't get confused with subtraction and two variables. The substitution trick is exactly the same. We replace A with 8 and B with 4, giving us 5 times 8 minus 3 times 4. Doing the multiplication first, our final point is 28. Final level game introduces exponent. Gatekeeper's portal. The rule says whatever point you bring to the gate gets squared. But the gatekeeper charges exactly 3 points. Our expression is a squared minus 3. If we arrive at a gate with 5 points, then we substitute a with 5. We get 25 minus 3 equals 22 points. Now let us find the value of the expression if x equals to 4 and y equals to 2. We will replace x with 4 and y with 2. So 3 times 4 plus 2 times 2 minus 7. 12 plus 4 minus 7, 16 minus 7 equals 9. This is our answer. Now next one. Twice a square plus ab. If a equals to minus 3 and b equals to 2, we have to find the value of the expression. Before moving forward, let us once recall multiplication sign rule. Positive multiplied by positive, positive. Negative multiplied by negative is positive. Positive multiplied by negative is negative. Negative multiplied by positive is negative. So let us first replace a and b. So we'll replace a with minus 3 and b with 2. Our expression becomes 2 times minus 3 square plus minus 3 times 2. To avoid confusion with sign, always use bracket. 3 square is 9 and negative multiplied by negative is positive. So 2 times 9 plus, we know that 2 times 3 is 6 and negative multiplied by positive is negative. Our expression becomes 2 into 9 minus 6 is equal to 18 minus 6. Answer is here. Final challenge for you.